Yeah, they're finally taking down these dead elms down here. I was always paranoid that one was gonna fall. I didn't know, I guess the property owner is doing it. There's a bunch of them that gotta go. Yeah, so they're cleaning it all up. I just talked with them. All these ash trees right here. Nice. Oh, I'm glad I stopped out here. I really need this. If I didn't have this, that would make life the job a little bit longer. Okay, I'm gonna watch out for traffic here. Here he goes. So I'm working on this Honda, a friend of mine's. The first thing I told him was to change the valve cover gasket because there's oil getting all over the place. I've cleaned all this off already. I was taking it apart yesterday because we're gonna put a new distributor in, and this plug right here it was full of oil. I cleaned it up a little bit, but I want to clean the whole thing up. I think, yeah, there's oil in there still. So we're gonna clean that plug up, put it together, put the distributor back, the cap and rotor back on. The rotor's on there. And see if it fixes the problem. That could have been the whole deal. Here we go. The car has been sitting for like 3 or 4 months, I think. Or maybe just 2 months. I tend to exaggerate a little bit. Cool, sounds good. I put a new exhaust on this, and there's a little bit more that needs to be done. How many miles this one is? It's at 260. We're getting up to the 300,000 mile club. All right. This is the kids' bedroom. And we got contractors just put new doors in, and they're working on the deck out here because it was leaking. Everything was rotting. And I just need to put a blind back up here, but I forgot my freaking cordless drill. And I gotta cut these off because the kids are coming in. So I guess I'll do that today. So yeah, the customer wasn't happy with the color I picked. It didn't, like normal color doesn't look exactly the same on the chip, so you just go with it. It's not that big of a deal. I made her pick a color, and it was from Sherwin-Williams paint, but I usually don't go over there very often. I might go there occasionally. But I'm a painter, so a lot of the guys know me. Usually hit up Repcolite, and they had a cross-reference which worked out pretty good, and headed back. Damn, I was hoping I had a little roller in here. I gotta get another one. Damn it. Okay, I don't see anything. So I stashed some of my painting materials in the back of this car, and I don't think I have anything back here. Have to check the others. So I had some materials down here. I think there we go. That's exactly what we need. Cool. All right. Oh, I better turn the light off. All right. So here's the drill, cordless drill. Good, I got that. I mudded this last night, and it's still not completely dry because it's cold out here. Yeah, I should let that. I might mud some more later on that. I'll let a little air in here first. But good, we got the drill. Okay, yeah, like I said, we didn't go to Sherwin-Williams, but I have the whole color wheel for there. That was the old paint, and we got a new can of paint that matched the color of one of these. And we found the drill. We're gonna install a shade and all that. So this is the new roof. Down below is the dining room. The year before last Christmas, during Christmas Day, I got a phone call. They're like, water's pouring down into the dining room, and I was like, I just came over and shoveled all the snow off just to lessen the load. I think we're gonna be good now. That looks real nice. So I got a lot of painting to do, all this trim work and stuff, and then all the railing also. It's down there by the car over there. I'm gonna hit all the bottoms first before they put it back on. So I guess we're gonna put up this blind for this door, because everyone's coming in. They like to close this off. I planted these little bulbs last year, and I don't know what they are, but they're popping. We'll see what they look like. Yeah, so this was a little too blue. I thought it looked more like a slate. I haven't focusing right now. And this is our more industrial type. I already painted that one over there. So here we go. We're just using a little mini roller and a brush. Sounds pretty good. Well, I'm back in the garage. It's late tonight. It's like midnight right now. Oh, the mud is kind of slowly drying. It might be ready by tomorrow to put another skim on it. This is the wood we're using for the shelves, and it's basically a birch veneer sanded. I'll clear coat it. And the only reason I'm here right now is to just kind of check it out and move a few things around, because they're coming in tomorrow. There'll be a car in here, so I have to kind of organize and get it all ready for them tomorrow. So that's a day in a life of working. Every day is different. It gets crazy. It's going to get even crazier, so have a good one, everyone. Later.
Displaying responsibility.
Power! Here we go! The power!
Here goes the power!
Oh, that's it!
Oh shit. We thought this was just a joke.
Is that them?
Holy shit! We're going 58, 59, 60, 65. Whoa!